same people, back with a bang. This is the money management.
And actually, this guy has no correlation to this video whatsoever, apart from the fact that it is me 5 months ago. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys my gains during the market session today, and exactly how I was up over $4,000 within 10 minutes and 15 seconds. So we'll let him ramble on at the top corner, but make sure you guys keep your eyes on what's really important in this video. So to begin with, this is the exact time frame when the jump was made. As you can see, it was within 10 minutes and 15 seconds. So now let's just go through it a little bit. So it definitely was a great hour, and if you guys remember, the very last video I uploaded was called 5 stocks to buy in 2021, and if you guys haven't seen that video, you definitely want to go and check that out. Lo and behold, Fuel Cell and Lemonade definitely did me a huge favor today. And I'll just kind of run through it from a couple hundred up during the day to over 4,500 in a day. So as you can see, he's had that steady climb. But what I want to point out is, if you guys saw the gains Fuel Cell and Lemonade made today, then you kind of understand exactly what happened here. But as you can see, we kept that rise going, within 6 minutes we were already up 2,000, and it kept going, kept rising, which is what we love to see when it comes to these stocks, especially at a time like this. And we had a little bit of a drop, a little bit of a dip. It didn't actually change anything in the whole context of things. That dip didn't really mean anything. In fact, right after the dip we rose again, so that was great. And overall, this was definitely a solid hour. Now funny enough is the next hour actually got even better, but nothing was like that 10 minute and 15 second period. So yeah, apart from that, so 3 separate things I want to point out. The first being, 1, this is options trading. So of course, there are crazy gains when it comes to options trading. 2, yes, these are unrealized gains, so it means I have not cashed out yet, I did not take profits. But for those of you who are not sure what that means, well, they're still my gains, and actually within the next hour, they became even more gains, so that was actually a positive. And number 3, when you guys see the fact that it says 4,400 or 4,500, 4,600, that was within the hour period. But within the 10 minutes and 15 second period, the exact amount was $4,369.15. So it was definitely a great trade. Now, for those of you who do not know what options trading is, I have a video which I've made in the past regarding options trading. So if you don't know about options trading, yeah, go check that one out. Add to that, there will be a video tomorrow for Financial Friday, so make sure you guys are back here for that one.
But that's it for today's video, guys. I got money making. You got money making. See you guys tomorrow for the...
Sorry, I had to cut him off one last time, but I just wanted to offer you guys a brief disclaimer before we end the video. When it comes to this kind of trading, you do have to be careful of the risk. In this case, I succeeded, as I usually do, to be honest. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please drop a comment, please make sure to hit that red button if you're new around here. I actually did not plan on making a video today, but once these crazy gains happened, I thought, you know what, let me just inform the YouTube community. So yeah, any of that feedback and any of that support is definitely appreciated.
Peace.